Back. It's Sunday today. It's Sunday here in Texas. What do you have in there?
It's just a shredder, babe.
That doesn't look like the same as ours.
It's
The old one.
pretty close.
Nasira yung ano niya, paper shredder. Ang oras na? 1:16 in the afternoon. Yung asawa ko nag-rearrange ng mga things. So, hindi ko pala ito na-disclose. So, paano ko ba siya sasabihin? If you guys followed me when we moved in here sa bahay na to, that was December 2024, alam nyo na nag-move yung mama niya din dito. But 2 days ago, yung mama niya, lumipat siya na gahan guys. Somewhere close by lang naman. Mamaya, pupunta kami, stop over kami CVS to get her prescription. Kasi kailangan niya yun guys. Nagpunta din kami kahapon kasi yung asawa ko, he fixed the scooter ng mama niya kahapon. Ang ganda talaga ng lipstick na to guys. Hindi ako makaget over. Kaka-receive ko lang nito kahapon. This is the latest. Bago to sa Maybelline. May Maybelline po dito sa USA. Maybelline lipstick. I got the Maybe It's Soft Satin. Sobrang soft niya sa lips. Yan po guys. Oh. Ang ganda niya talaga guys. Maybelline, New York. Yan po yung sa lips ko ngayon. See? Sobrang ganda niya i-blend. Sobrang soft niya. Talaga. Like, ang ganda niya. And then, it lasted me a little longer. Hours din siya nag-last. I don't know lang. Hindi ko pa ito na-try na I have this in my lips and then I eat. Hindi ko pa siya na-try. Do I look good?
You always look good, babe.
Boret. Let me see if Nicole is awake. Kasi kung hindi siya awake, hindi natin siya dadalhin. Bakit natin siya dadalhin ko? Nicole? Asan ba yun? Yung aking antipara na the best na antipara in the world. So, meron kaming ito yung ibabalik natin. Ay, ibabalik din siya sa Walmart. Ano pa? Wala. And then, guys, I have achievement today. Nagmow ako ng yard sa labas. Masaya ako pag namow ko yung yard kasi it feels very good. Parang feel ko yung, ang linis-linis ng aming backyard and front yard. Ay, so guys, paubos na oh. Bibili tayong bago. Sobrang bango nito. Ilang beses ko na tong ginamit and ilang beses na po akong na-compliment ng mga tao sa labas. Like, ang bango mo, what are you using? Ito po yun, Prada Intense. Sobrang bango nito. Sobrang bango. I say that because I've been complimented by people. Kahit minsan hindi ko naamoy yung sarili ko. Hindi ko naman naamoy yung sarili ko. Mainit guys. Sobrang init. I'm telling you guys. Kapal ng mukha ko guys. I'm using phone. We are here in Starbucks. So funny. Ang init sa labas. Got me hot coffee mocha. Medium size. Right? Right? That's how I really love the Starbucks coffee. I got my coffee mocha. I love coffee mocha from Starbucks, guys. Favorite ko na to. We just returned something. Ayaw ng anak ko. Yung binili ko sa kanya kahapon. Alright. Meron na siyang mga preferences sa kanyang mga gustong suotin, guys. Hindi ko na sila mapipilit. I really miss those days when they were still a baby. 5 years old, because I can still like...
You could tell them what to wear and
yes,
they wear it.
They wear it and they like it. Now, I'm not able to do that anymore because they were like, I don't like it. I won't wear that. So...
They're old enough to have their own style.
Nicole was like, I don't wanna wear that. That's not my style. O, diba? Makikipag-away na yan sa akin, guys. Kasi ayaw niya. Are you sure there's air fryer in Sam's? I don't see air fryer in Sam's, babe. Air fryer that we like, the double thing, I don't think.
You're stressing it too much.
Guys, diba, I think I'm gonna posted the video about the learner's permit that I got already. Me and my husband, he told me na mag-drive na talaga ako. Apparently, what happened was our car, the small one, the battery is dead. So we have to buy a new battery before I have to drive. Kasi itong bagong sasakyan, even me, I'm not saying na afraid akong mag-drive, but this one is SUV kasi siya, malaki siya guys. So I'd rather drive the small car while I'm practicing driving with cars behind me, with cars around me. So yes, I'm allowed to drive now. So you know what I got for myself? So like the people behind me will not get mad if I drive not very slow, but slower than the speed limit. I got myself this. So ilalagay ko to sa likod ng sasakyan. This is visible enough for the people who are behind me. Hopefully they will understand that I am still a student here driving, and I'm trying my best to improve, trying my best to get more experience when it comes to driving around. I knew I have experience already when I was in the Philippines, but I was only driving with motorcycle. Car is different, bigger than motorcycle ride. Ang init po. Yeah, we're here in Sam's. Toilet paper and snacks, and I can't remember anymore. Hindi ko alam. You really wanted 188. We'll be fine. What are we gonna watch? We can watch
the picture on that one. The picture on this one's better.
this one. Tingin-tingin kami ng TV. Hindi ko alam. Lalagay daw niya sa office niya. Bagong office. You want the vibrant. Vibrant. This one also is nice. Yeah. How much is that? Yes. Okay. What, do you need anything from here? I'm gonna buy one of these cakes. No. I want this. Maybe this one. Maybe. I'm not sure. Where's the carrot cake? I couldn't find it anymore. There's no carrot cake here. But that's too sweet. Pizza kasi love ng kids ang pizza, guys. So here sa Sam's kasi, if you're gonna buy, parang bulky lahat dito. Scan and go lang kami dito, guys, which is really good thing here in the States. We are home. We are home! Binibili namin, guys, shockingly. Nasaan yung iba? Naka-box pala to kasi sa Sam's kami, guys. Yun yung in-explain ko kanina. That's what I said earlier, that in Sam's, actually, usually here in the States, when you shop, sometimes they do have this scan and go. So you can just do it by your phone, and after you paid, using your phone, you can just leave. In the Philippines, we can't do that. Check out. Anyway, so nabili na namin yung aming, well, let's do the grocery first. Or let's open
You can do the groceries.
yung air fryer.
The girls in here to help.
Okay. Well, I need to put.
The girls can't help put everything away.
I'll do it because they don't want to do the video. They don't want $5. Lagi ko silang tinitis. Anyway, meron kasi tayong mga cold stuff and meat, so I have to put it first in the refrigerator. Paano nyo ba ako makikita, guys? Hindi pa makikita. Let's just put it here. Ganun. So, bumili ako ng rice. How many kilos are this?
50 pounds.
26 kilos. Yeah. Wow. Malakas yarn. So, we have few snacks here, guys. Favorite ng mga kids. Babe, let it be. I'll reach that one. Oh, you're... I think it's all right.
Those need to be in there.
So, ito favorite ni Yashi. Nicole's favorite Cheetos. Ayan. Ito yung mga snacks nila, guys. And then we also got Kisses. Favorite din to ni Ashley, guys. Kisses. I got chocolate. We have eggs. Kasi yung asawa ko, hindi yan bumbuhay. What are you doing?
Trying to cover my stuff.
Your face is so pink. Did you shower? I know, we got you this, girl. You don't want? Fine.
Oh my god!
What are you hiding?
I think that
What? Beef Angus. Ito yung asawa ko. Kumakain siya ng ganito. Beef. And then, meron pa tayong, ano ba to? Sirloin. Kailangan ko itong lutuin now. Kasi parang pa-expire na lang eh. Nakasale siya. But I'm gonna cook it now kasi hindi pa kami nakakain. We also have bacon. Yung pinunta talaga namin sa Sam's is toilet paper. Ang ending, bumili ng mga food. Meron tayong, we have this, ano sa manigit? Chicken, ham, honey ham, honey cheese. Ito sa asawa ko to. And then we have siopaw. We have this, hindi ko alam ano to guys. Chicken gyoza. Nicole's favorite. Cheese. Chicken nuggets. Or fish nuggets. And then we also have, ano ba to? Boneless beef. New York street steak. Mababat ang... It's so long. Pizza. Hey! Ito yung ating bagong air fryer. This is the new air fryer, guys. Hopefully, this will be not so noisy. I would say not so noisy kasi itong isa, maingay. Oh, very nice. Sinabi ko sa kanya, yung mga binibili namin dito na mga gamit, guys. Pag one day, uwi kami Pilipinas, dadalhin ko yan sa Pilipinas, guys. Ipapa-LBC ko yung mga gamit namin dito para dalhin sa Pilipinas para di na ako bibili doon. Ay, wow! This is very sleek! OMG! Let me see how big the drawer. How big the basket. Oh, it's tape.
Is it taped?
Yeah. That's enough for... okay. What? Because maybe if you fry something. That's nice. Okay. Oh my gosh, perfect. What color is this beige? I hope that this one is not noisy, no? This one looks so nice. Very sleek and very clean. Perfect. Kasi ito sobrang ingay. Ito yung ibibigay namin sa mama niya. Kasi she likes using air fryer. And by the way, asa na? Pakita natin itong ating nabili today. Out of nowhere, itong lalaki, one man, nagbibigay siya ng mga ticket and everything, guys. Nagbibenta pala siya ng knife, guys. So, hindi niyo ako makikita. Hindi ako naman. Stop ring me. Ano ba yan? We buy a set of knife, stainless one. We've been looking this kind of knife for a long time. Pumupunta kami sa Walmart pero hindi kami bumibili. Very good timing kasi itong lalaking to, he was doing sales. He was doing how do you call that one, babe? Demonstration in front of everybody. And ang galing niya mag-demonstrate. He's really good. He's really good demonstrating. Like, hindi ako makapag-explain masyado, but ito yung brand ng knife set na binili namin today. This one, yes, it looks good. Let me see. This one is for meat, right?
It's
Beef.
steak knife.
Steak. Hello, wow, it's lightweight. Tadaan! Ay, Perfect. Stainless steel. Look, the handle. O, diba? So, very... Be careful with those eyes naman, girl. Very good. I would say very, very nice siya kasi stainless. Hindi siya nag-rust. You know what I mean? I'm not really good at explaining about stuff and everything, guys. Pero, maganda siya naman. Ooh, that's so nice. And I have a free chopping board. Chopping board! Very nice. This is all. This one pa. This one pa? And then this one. We also got 2 sets actually. Kasi yung Caesar, naka-separate siya. So, bumili din kami ng Caesar and then itong one ng pang-mix. I got 2. Everything is stainless, which is really good. Yun yung hinahanap namin. Like I said nga, naghahanap kami noon pa. Talaga. When I said noon pa, hindi lang kami bumili. Kasi hindi pa namin nahanap yung pinakagusto namin. And then, itong lalaking to, nag-demonstrate. Nakita namin kung paano siya. So, ay wow. Where's the spring? I don't even see the spring here, but it's like, This one is for bones meat cutter. Caesar. Stainless din siya, guys, which is really good. I love it. I will really try to use all of this. Sabi ko sa kanya, dadalhin natin yan sa Pilipinas. Kasi hindi ako makabili ng ganito ka good brand, good purpose na ganito sa Pilipinas. I'm sure it's really expensive out there. Mahal na nga to para sa akin dito, guys. I think how much did we pay for this? Just for these sets, almost $200.
Yeah.
And then there's a small one for egg. This one is when you bake. This is so cute. Nico loves to cook pancakes, so she can use this one. That's nice. Mas maganda yung aming mga knife dito, guys, mga amol na. So kailangan namin ng ano. I'm not gonna throw this away. We're gonna bring this to the Philippines. We're gonna try it. Ay, perfect! Pero bakit? Feel ko kulang talaga siya, dear. Finally, may magagamit na ako kasi, guys, meron naman kaming knife dito, pero hindi siya ganun ka kaganda. Ito kasi dinemonstrate na, I need this one. Anyway, yun lang. We are just doing not a lot today. We went to check his mom again and bring her prescription. We stay there for a little bit because we are helping her, like yung mga box na empty na. So we also, he helped with throwing away trash and everything. And yeah, we went to Sam's. We went to Target. We went to Sam's after. And then we're now home. And it's almost 5 in the afternoon. And I have to cook for my husband kasi I'm sure he is hungry. I haven't eaten. We just had Starbucks coffee. And we need to eat. So, can I use this knife na? Charot. Very nice. I love it. I'm wearing jacket kasi sobrang lamig ng bahay, guys. Itong mga kasama ko dito, parang hindi mabubuhay kung hindi sobrang lamig ng aircon. Ako hindi ko kaya yung sobrang lamig ng aircon. So anyway, magluluto tayo. We'll try. Gagamitin na natin siya. Or I'm gonna clean this first because I know that the kids will cook chicken nuggets, chicken something tender. So gasan ko muna to para magamit na natin, guys. Paano ba to? Tatanggal ba to? I think this one can be removed. Yes. Right. Ang cute ng basket. And my favorite color, puti. Puti yung favorite color ko, or beige. So, mga ganito, like parang warm, soft, creamy white. Yung kulay na favorite ko kasi nakakalinis siya tingnan. Anyway, may plano kami. Aalis ko pala kami, guys, after ma-settle down namin tong duplex namin. Kasi yung, I don't know if I mentioned to you. Yung isang property ng asawa ko, guys, may nagre-rent doon na walay batasan. So, tumira siya sa duplex na yun for free. Hindi nagbayad ng renta. Laging nagpa-promise na, oh, magbabayad ako, may nangyari na ganito. So, umabot talaga siya ng 8 months na discussion about it. And then, finally, yung asawa ko na, napagod na. Actually, kaming dalawa, pagod na kami sa kanya. Like, we decided na, sige, ipapile na natin siya. So, nag-file kami ng eviction sa tenant na yon. And sadly, when I say sadly, kasi, guys, hindi lang doon sa rent siya, actually. Pati yung kuryente, kami yung nagbabayad. Just imagine that, for the 8 months na ganun yung scenario, kasi nagpa-promise, when dinala namin siya sa, judge court, something, yung judge parang he only like give us the back rent pay lang, wala yung electric bill. Nakakainis nga siya isipin, pero we wanted to move on, and then kailangan na namin mag-move on talaga. That's what we want. So yun, and tapos na yan, guys. And then another problem na naman sa case namin, kasi yung ex-wife nung nag-rent sa duplex namin, nag-iwan ng maraming gamit sa unit. Dito sa Texas kasi, hindi ka pwedeng like, for example, dinala mo na sa judge and everything, nabigyan ka na ng judgment na back rent, hindi ka allowed na magtanggal ng mga gamit ng mga tenant even after that, kasi illegal siya. So, ang gagawin na naman namin para matanggal talaga yung gamit niya, magbabayad ulit kami ng constable para may pupunta sa unit, and then we'll just be there to watch us na mag-i-impake ng mga gamit na yun at ilalagay siya sa gilid, sa core. Nakakainis siya isipin, to be honest, kasi mas favor dito sa States, mas favor yung law sa mga nagre-rent compared sa mga owner. Oh my gosh, I love it. Luto na tayo, gagamitin natin ito, guys. Amoy, inamoy. So, magluluto tayo ng steak for my husband. So, ganito ako magluto ng beef. Diba usually, sa Pilipinas kasi nasanay ako sa ganun. So, here, or nakita ko lang to sa video, na master chef. Chef siya. Sabi niya, pag bumili ka ng meat daw, sa store, whatever, you don't have to wash the meat. All you have to do is get a paper towel. Dito mo siya, ganun mo lang, guys. I-press mo lang siya para yung mga dugo or whatsoever. Ganyan. Huwag mo siyang i-wash kasi nakakawala daw siya ng taste or smell. Like beef. Kaya nawawala yung, I don't know, my explanation dyan. But I'm not a chef. So, I'm gonna cook too. Pwede ko rin kainin kung hindi niya maubos. Just cook it this way. By the way, I'm using olive oil. Kasi ito lang yung oil na tinatanggap ng asawa ko, olive oil. I'm cooking. Cheese. Mahilig sa cheese yung asawa ko, guys. As in, cheese, everything. Cheese sa lahat. A lot of cheese. Ang dami namin cheese dito. There you go. Ito yung food ng asawa ko. What year is this now, babe? What year? 19 something.
19, early 1900s, so this is the second term.
He as president is steward of the people. He represents the public interest in protecting the square deal on the basis of class and
9:29 in the evening, guys. So, I'm here filling this box. Isa na lang talaga. One box, LBC box to the Philippines. Yung isa, guys, puno na yung isang LBC box natin. Itong isa na lang yung pupunuin ko ng things. Things. Malapit na talaga siya, guys, mapuno. She's like, she make a mess. I always ask them to clean. You know, guys, I'm gonna give you Revelation 101. So, alam nyo, guys, kanina, kaming dalawa ng asawa ko, we were talking on our way home. And then, sabi ko nga, di ba, nag-stop over kami sa mama ni Belle. Sabi ni Belle,
When are you
what
gonna
if...
get your new phone?
Wait, stop. Before classes start. Sabi ni Belle, what if yung mga bata magsalitan sila, like they are gonna weekend, pupunta sila doon sa unit ng mama ni Belle to clean. And then, Belle and I, we're gonna give them money. Ay, ang bilis, guys. Sabi niya, start tomorrow. Guys,
What?
pag pera ang pag-uusapan, itong mga batang tumukhang pera. Girl, why are you saving?
Huh?
Why are you saving?
Because I can.
Woy, wow, grabe makaingon mo. Because I can. Nung bata kami, we do that as well. Yung papa namin or mama namin, binibigyan kami ng kahit piso-piso lang. Meron kaming alkansya na gawa sa bamboo ba before, guys. Yun yung ginamit namin to save money. And she's asking me if I can buy her piggy bank. Let's find you something. So, para makapag-start na sila ng savings. And ito, maganda to, guys. Maganda to na learning for them na kailangan nila mag-save kahit pa konti-konti naman eh. Hoy! Sige na, finish. Butang yung sabon. I-play na dayo na. Napaisa, oh. Here, one. Ay, actually to. Come on! Ayaw mo pa-record, no? Pero pag tagaan, $5 sa gawas ni guys.
What? You're staring at me, ma. See?
Yes.
Well, not big.
Ayusin!